Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Ads suspended account problem. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Having your Google Ads account suspended can be frustrating, but there are some steps you can take to resolve this issue. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you out. First of all, identify the cause. Check your email for notification from Google explaining the reason for the suspension. Common reasons include billing and payment issues, policy violations, and unauthorized account activity. Address the issue. Once you know the cause, take the necessary steps to resolve it. This might involve paying any outstanding balances, correcting policy violations, or securing your account against unauthorized access. Submit an appeal. If you believe the suspension was a mistake or if you have resolved the issue, you can submit an appeal to Google. Provide all relevant information and explain the steps you have taken to fix the problem. At last, contact Google support. If you are unsure about the reason for the suspension or need further assistance, contact Google Ads support for help. They can provide more detailed information and guide you through the process. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.